Hello everyone! I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I'm gonna use for my minestrone tomorrow for the charts. So these are the ingredients. I wash it already 3 times. Red kidney beans, white kidney beans, green mung beans, and black mung beans, and lentils. So I have to boil this in top stove. Of course, to boil it, you have to add water. So, boil it in a medium heat. Here, medium heat. So, it takes maybe 30, maybe 45 minutes to 1 hour to make it soft, this one. Yeah, so just, I'm gonna close the lid. This one, sorry, it is clean. So guys, just boil the different kinds of beans. And now I have another ingredients that I soak in the water. So I'm gonna show you another ingredients for minestrone because I'm always doing the substitute. I don't wanna use pasta because I'm trying not to eat a lot of carbs because I'm trying to reduce my weight. So here, this is the black and white chickpeas or garbanzos in Tagalog. So we call it in the Philippines garbanzos. Even here in Canada. So this is, I mix the black and the white garbanzos or chickpeas in English. So I soak it in the water for 2 days. But every day I have to wash it twice a day. In the morning and in the evening. So I have to wash it now. See? It's like, and this, this water, the liquid, the water, I'm gonna water this on the plants. So the water can grow more because this is a lot of carbs or starch. The water of from the soaking of chickpeas. So here are another ingredients of my minestrone. I'm gonna show you guys. So here you go. So kale from my garden, kale and cabbage. So all the leftover in my fridge, I'm gonna use up everything to finish all the vegetables in my fridge. And celery, it's up to you guys how many celery you're gonna use. And 4 tomatoes, big tomatoes, bell pepper, and 3 carrots, 3 medium size of carrots. Here you go. So I'm gonna use all of these mixed with the beans to make the minestrone. And of course, I still have left over here a little bit. It's tomato sauce with basil. So it smells nice. And also black pepper. I'm gonna add black pepper on it. And I'm gonna use, let me see what I have here. I don't see anything. And you can add some salt. I'm gonna show you when it's cooking. Onions, ginger, and garlic. So those seasoning for minestrone. Of course, time to chop all the ingredients that you need to chop. These are the celery. So I'm making it for 2 barangays. You call it 2 barangays. No, I mean I'm gonna make it for the charts, and also I'm gonna make for the salad master. Cabbage, chop the cabbage. So I'm gonna separate the cabbage because the cabbage is easy to cook. So, chop also the kale. Because you know, everything has to be a small cut. If you have bok choy or pichay, you can add a pichay also. But since I don't have pichay because my pichay or bok choy, it's gone already when the weather starts to become cold. So these are the left from my garden. Oh. Left over from the cold weather, the kale. I think this, I still have some more kale outside. Ayan. So, tapos na akong mag-chop-chop ng kale. Now, I'm gonna remove those skin here because I'm gonna chop-chop the carrots, then the last is tomatoes because tomatoes it's become watery. So the carrots I always include the skin. So busy. So I put all together in a one big pot the onions, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and carrots because carrots it's hard, it takes time to cook it. So then add water because we're gonna boil it. When carrots it's a little bit soft, then we can add the celery and the cabbage. And I think I can add the kale because the kale is hard to it takes time to be softened, the kale. So later the bell pepper, the cabbage, and the celery. And for this minestrone, I'm gonna use the natural mushroom seasoning. So it shows from the vegetables. And because the chickpeas is soft already, I can add here also. Gonna boil all of them together, all the ingredients, and when it's cooked already, this one, the different beans, it might gonna be done. So I think it's almost cooked. Then I'm gonna mix it together with this one. And now time to add the tomato sauce with basil. Then close the lid and turn on to the medium heat. This one, the last one is on this one. And this one here, the next one is for this one on the front. So I transfer the mung beans. So now, after I mix everything, now my minestrone, vegetables minestrone are done. So it doesn't fit the whole thing in this big pot. So I have another one here, pretty much the same. So let's try the minestrone. After like cooking for an hour, because you know I have to make it soft, the beans. So I'm just gonna try. Wow, so yummy. You're gonna enjoy this in the church tomorrow morning. It's the same taste with this one because I just put here on the small one the rest. So this, the big pot, I'm gonna take it to the church, and the next one for the salad master open house on Monday.